Hi there, how's it going? This is Ash from Pitch Profits. If you ever wondered whether Meta is the right platform for you to actually promote your products or services on, then it is. Not only are you showing your ads to Facebook itself or Meta, you're also showing your ads on Instagram and other related properties. Now, what you're looking at on the screen is called Meta Instant Experiences. These ads are fully native, full-fledged online experiences native to Meta, and that show up as ads. So when people click on this ad, this is what they see on their screen, and it's a complete way to showcase your products and services and also to sell your products and services right there natively on Meta. And this is an instant experiences ad destination that you could easily create. The way you do it is make sure that you get into Meta Business Suite. You should be using business.facebook.com to be able to do this. Click on account overview or click on campaigns directly. This is the page you will get to, and here on the green button that says create, click on create, and here inside your Meta campaign objective types you would select sales, and here is where you have the option of doing this two ways. One is to directly showcase a full page experience native to Meta or Instagram, where you're directly trying to sell products with your prices showing there and for people to click on it and go to your e-commerce store and buy. This is great if you're using BigCommerce, Shopify, or WooCommerce or any other e-commerce platform. You can also create a full native experience as shown here, where you can showcase your products, have people click on a button and purchase off of your e-commerce website. To be able to make sure that you connect with Shopify, you can directly connect with Shopify from within your business.facebook.com. If you're using WooCommerce, then you will need this specific plugin, which is free to use, and you have what is called as Facebook for WooCommerce, which is what you will add to your store, and you will use this to create catalogs, and using catalogs is how you will actually showcase your e-commerce products or services on your business.facebook.com account. Now, having said that, and I will get into a longer video with respect to how you do this, how to set it up, how to run your campaigns, and so on. So let's say you want to create a campaign which features instant experiences on Meta and on Instagram. Click on sales as the objective and click on continue. Choose advantage plus shopping campaign. Click on continue. When you do that, you have your basic settings here and you will choose your website. If you wanted people to just take a look at your landing page like instant experience and click on it and go to some page of yours, then you would want to ensure that you have another conversion event here where you say something like, let's say, subscribe or view content and so on. You need to make sure that your conversion event is appropriate to what the kind of campaign is. Now you click on create ad. Meta will go ahead and create an ad for you. On the left side panel, if you click on advantage plus and catalog ad, now you'll have some basic presets already set up depending on how you have set up your link destination. My link destination has been set up to my business. Meta has already come up with a few ads here, but these are not what I want to go for, but you get the idea. Like I said, there are two ways to use instant experiences. One way is to use instant experience like a landing page, just showcase your products and services leading to another page on your website or a landing page on your website where some sort of an action happens. That's number one way of doing it. Number two is to actually use your catalogs, and for this you need to create a catalog first, whether it's Shopify or e-commerce or BigCommerce or any other e-commerce platform that you could be using. I'm not going to talk about catalogs at the moment. That takes another video. If you're new to the channel, please do subscribe so that you don't miss out on any videos. In the format here, you would choose collection as your option. If you choose collection, then it will ask you to add an instant experience. If I click on instant experience, it will take you to a place where you have to create an instant experience. If you click on create new, you have a few templates that you could choose, or you can even choose a custom instant experience that you could create so that you can build your own layout with more design and interaction options. Let's take a very simple example of you trying to send people over to your website so that you can have people take a look at what you have to offer. Remember, we are not talking about catalog sales. We are not talking about e-commerce driven specific instant experiences. We are talking about a very simple campaign where you're having people to click on this instant experience and go to a particular website so that they can take an action. So in that case, you want to do what is called as customer acquisition. If I do that and click on next, this is an instant experience that will show up, and this is where you can actually add images and videos and call to action buttons. So this looks specifically like a landing page native to Meta or Instagram platforms. Now, when they swipe up this particular creative that you're looking at on the screen, that's when you will have them go to a specific page, which is usually your landing page or your website. You have a destination URL, your landing page here. and this is where you're probably having them sign up for something. And this is just an example. This is not a real URL. This is how you create your destination URL. So when they swipe up, this is the destination that they go to. Here is where you'll add your offer. So this is how it starts showing up. It works pretty much like a landing page, but remember that this landing page is not a separate destination somewhere like landing pages usually are. This is a native experience for Meta and for Instagram. Then you can add a button here that says explore, and the destination specifically, you can have people explore something on your website or on your landing page. You can easily visualize how this might work for services, how this might work for any sort of a lead promotion, how it might work for any sort of a promotion whatsoever. And it also applies to e-commerce products that we will talk in another video. So you also have a carousel here, and you can upload up to 2 to 10 images so that it shows up in a carousel format. Please remember that the top image that you're looking at is the main featured image, and the images at the bottom are in a carousel format, and this is how they start looking like. For each of these images inside your carousel, you can have a separate destination URL. So let's assume that you had a particular product number 1, then you could have a product link here, and product number 2 and the corresponding link here, product number 3 corresponding link here, and so on. You could also have separate descriptive text for each of these images that you're showing, so it applies great for any of the multiple services or products that you're showcasing. And then you have a button here that says something like buy now, and when they swipe up, they go to a particular page on your website or on your landing page. And if it's an e-commerce catalog driven native experience, then they will go directly to your products or your store. So this is how instant experiences look like. If you need help with any of your campaigns, please do reach out to me. The link is in the description below. If you have any questions with respect to native experiences or instant experiences on Meta or Facebook, please do get in touch with me. If you're new to the channel, please do subscribe. If you like the video, please do like it and share it. This is Ash from Fetch Profits signing out.